The away mode is used when you leave the house and you want the motion sensors and all the doors and windows to be active at one time. You can set the away mode to where you have motion sensors that are bypassed. You can have delays set on the motion sensors, or you can have them go off instantly, depending on how your installer sets it up. In order to set it in the away mode, you need your master code, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 in my case, and number 2 is away. You'll now get the exit delay to leave the house. Once that starts beeping fast, you have 10 seconds to finish, or you need to stop it. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 off to stop it. And in my case, I've got a quick arm button over here that I've programmed, so I can press and hold this for a few seconds. It's going to beep at me and arm. 1, 2, 3, 4 off to turn it off. And that's all there is to putting it in away mode.